Soak up Brazil's dazzling beauty and exuberant culture on this enthralling journey. In magnetic Rio, take in panoramic vistas from atop Sugar Loaf and Corcovado mountains, and go behind the scenes at a carnival workshop. Then head off to explore lovely hillside colonial towns, graced with splendid Baroque churches. In the Pantanal, a mosaic of flooded grasslands, savannas and tropical forests, embark on walks and safaris with nature guides to spot astonishing wildlife. Round out your adventure at majestic Iguassu Falls, where more than 200 cascades rush and roar. Throughout this incredible journey, you will be in the care of a seasoned travel director who handles all logistics, allowing you to thoroughly enjoy your destination. And our expert guides and local speakers will make the region's unique history and culture come to life. As you explore with your small group, relish comfortable camaraderie and new friendships that create unforgettable memories. Plus, all of our trips feature free time, so you can strike off on your own and make new discoveries. It's time to dust off your dreams and explore. Call now to reserve your place on this one-of-a-kind adventure.